Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, A Time with Dr. P. If you're an OG here, welcome back. Always a pleasure to have you. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing to this channel, join the family, turn on all your notification bells so you'll be the first to know when I put up a video on this channel. So today I'm going to be speaking on one of the most requested videos on this channel, which is the Canada Express entry process. I'm not by any chance an immigration officer. Whatever I'm going to be sharing on this video is my personal experience and research done. Feel free to add any points I miss out in the comment section so it can be beneficial to everyone. Trust me when I say this video has been requested over and over again. When I check my emails, when I go on Instagram, Facebook, someone is requesting this video. Without talking further, let's dive right into the topic. Sit back, don't go nowhere.
So right now I'm going to walk you through the steps to take for your express entry, the processing time, and the fees or funds you need. There's 7 steps you need to take for your express entry, but before that, you would like to go to the official website, which is cic.gc.ca, to check if you're eligible for this opportunity. Once you're in their homepage, what you would want to do is type in express entry on their search bar, and then this will pop out. So when you get on this page, you would go to how express entry works. So when you click on there, it brings out a list for you, and then all you have to do is just click on the one that says find out if you're eligible. So all you do there is just put in some of your important informations like your age, your language ability, family, education, work experience, and all those things, just your personal details. Then here you click check eligibility, and then it opens up to this place, and all you have to do is just fill in your information. It's really simple. They give you options already. You pick your IELTS, pick your scores. Currently I'm just selecting randomly, but then of course you have to select properly and just put in the right answers in each of the following boxes. So once you're done, you receive a reference number which would show you that you actually qualify for an express entry. So what you want to do is save that reference code because you'll be needing it later. Step 1 is to take a language proficiency test. You could either take one in English or in French, or you could just take both in English and in French, which increases your chances. And then also, you would want to check if whatever exam you're writing is available in your country. They also have a score requirement, which is available on their website, which is cac.gc.ca. In the meantime, you could get your academic documents evaluated by one of these organizations because you are going to need your assessment evaluation in order to make an express entry profile. The reason they need this report is to make sure your documents are valid and that it is also equivalent to a Canadian one. The fees are from $200 to $250, and the processing time takes from 1 to 4 months. But then I'll suggest you get your credentials checked by West because they have really good processing time. And whatever document you send has to be officially sealed by your university. Step 3, find your NOC. This is a way they classify your job or occupation. So all you have to do is go back to the official page and type in find my NOC. So after typing find my NOC on their homepage, it brings you here. When you get here, all you have to do is find your job in one of those tiers. When you locate your job, you scroll all the way down and then you type in the exact job. For this example, I'm going to be using banking. So when you type in banking, it brings out all the options and codes you can use. So now I know the code I'm going to be using if I create my own application. NOC helps you show your job descriptions and helps tell the people what you do on a daily basis in your job. At this point, you should have gotten your ECA report, your language test, and your NOC code so you can create a profile. So all you have to do is go back to cic.gc.ca and create an account, an IRCC account, which is very easy and straightforward to make. Remember, you have to make it with a GC key. Use option 1 when creating an IRCC account. That's very important. So after I create your profile, all you have to do is wait for an invitation to apply. Because during the process time, you'll be asked to write an express entry pool using a point-based system called CRS. CRS is a point-based system. This is what they use to assess and score your profile and rank it in the express entry pool. The higher the score, the faster they'll give you an invitation to apply. These are some things you should just take note of and look through. If you have a chance, you could go to their official website, cic.gc.ca, and just scroll through and look at. While waiting for your ITA, it is advised that you gather up all your documents so once it comes, it is easy for you to apply at once. This is the list of documents that will be required from you to submit after you receive your ITA. You don't always have to have a job letter or offer to apply for an express entry. It's optional, but then in most cases, it is just better to have it at hand. Provincial nomination letter is also optional, but then it is good to have it to increase your CRS score. There's a minimum amount you should have in your account before you be able to apply with your proof of funds. So you could go to cic.gc.ca. Yes, from the minimum amount you could have to as much as you can. And if you have more than the minimum amount, just make sure to put the whole thing in your profile, in your application. Just make sure you check their website to know what documents you need and what documents you don't need before submitting your application. After gathering all your documents, you would need to scan and upload them to your profile. And you have 60 days to submit your application. And then you get a confirmation email after 30 days from IRCC saying your visa is ready to be stamped on your passport and you could send your passport to any VFS office.
I hope you benefited something. Like I said initially, if I missed out any point, please feel free to add it in the comment section. If this video was not really something for you, but you know someone it will be beneficial to, please share this video to them. And until I come your way again, this is Dr. P signing out. Bye-bye.